Hello everyone, I am Akash and I am pursuing MCA from MERI College. Today I will discuss about software testing. Software testing is a process of executing a program with the aim of finding error. To make our software successfully, it will remove all the errors from the software. Software testing can be stated as the process of validation and verifying that a software programs, application, product. Software testing, depending on the testing method employed, can be implemented at any time in the development process. However, most of the test effort occurs after the requirements have defined and the coding process has been completed. Combination of verification and validation is called testing. This is the verification and validation. Verification is the process of evaluating a system or component to determine whether the products of a given development phase. Validation is the process of evaluating a system or component during or at the end of level process. In validation checks the software to ensure it makes customer requirements. This is the type of testing. First is a unit testing and integration testing, system testing, regression testing, operation testing, full scale testing, stress testing, performance testing, and overload testing. First is a unit testing. A unit is the smallest testable part of any software. It usually has one or a few inputs and usually a single output. In procedural programming, a unit may be an individual program, function, procedure, etc. In object-oriented programming, the smallest unit is a method which may belong to a base, superclass, abstract class, or derived class. It focuses on a smallest unit of software design. In this, we test an individual unit or group of interrelated unit. It is often done by programmer by using sample input and observing its corresponding outputs. Uh, in a program, we are checking if a loop method or function is working fine and misunderstanding or incorrect arithmetic precedence and incorrect initialization. Second is the integration and system testing. Uh, Integration testing, the object is to take unit testing, tested component and build a program structure that has been dedicated by design. Integration testing is a testing in which a group of components are combined to process the output. Integration testing is of four types. First is a top down and second bottom up and third is a sandwich and fourth is big bang. System testing in the software is a tested such that it works fine for different operating system. It is covered under the black box testing technique. In this, we just focus on required input and output with focusing on the internal working. System testing means testing the entire system when testing the entire application whether it will work or not or will it is hang. Regression testing. Regression testing is defined as a type of software testing to confirm that a recent program or code change has not adversely affected ex, uh, ex, existing features. And regression testing is nothing but a full or partial selection of already executed test cases, which are re-executed to ensure functionality work fine. The testing is done make sure that new code changes should not be side effect or existing functionality. Every time a new module is added leads to changes in program. This type of testing makes sure that whole component works properly even after adding components to complete program. We do regression testing because when we make any changes in our application, there is no problem in earlier functionality. Operating and full scale testing. Operating testing, operational acceptance testing is a testing technique performed to verify the operational readiness, release of a product or application under test as a part of software test lifecycle. This testing technique mainly focus on operational readiness of system, which is supposed to mimic the production environment. So we use operation testing because there is no mistake in our application, whether we have entered the password incorrectly and it is given, or accepting the message, or how many times it is rejecting. Full scale testing. The full scale test enables the internal load distribution and stress strain level of each structural element to be imposed correctly, as it is the best representation of the true structural performance of the system. It must be significant certification of qualification process. We use full scale testing because what is the answer when a single application is tested by many people, such as whether the site is slow or not, or what is the answer when more than 1,000 people work together in the Yahoo website, or in other website like other Google website. uh, Stress testing. Stress testing is a type of software testing that verifies the stability and reliability of the system. This test mainly measures the system on its robustness and error handling capability. Under under the mm, sorry under extremely heavy load condition. Stress testing is done to make sure that the system would normal operating point and evaluates how the system works under those extreme conditions. In extreme testing, we take the data to the extreme level, then we see if there is a problem in the network and how long it is taking. Performance and overload testing. Performance testing, a non-functional testing technique performed to determine the system parameter in terms of responsiveness and stability under various workload. Performance testing measure the quality attribute of the system, such as scalability, reliability, and resource usage. It is designed to test the runtime performance of software within the context of an integrated system. It is used to test speed and effectiveness of program. Overload testing. It is the simplest form of the testing conducted to understand the behavior of the system under a specific load. Load testing will result in measuring important business critical transactions and load on the database application server also monitored. In overload testing, we test how the system behaves when we overload a subject, like if our application has a capacity of 1,000, then we will test up to 1,001 or 1,002. If it goes over it, maybe if our application failed and it is difficult for us to correct it. Thank you very much.